So basically I'm in my garage and this is what I decided to do. So I'm gonna start doing some like wood shop work, making some things that there's a ton of people doing it. But I'm gonna make some baskets and some creative things that I've been wanting to do for a long time. So I decided to spring for it. And my wife is backing me up on this and we're doing something really awesome. So here I decided to get this model DeWalt. It's the DWE7485 model and the dual bevel 12-inch miter saw. So stay tuned and I'm gonna start putting this thing together.